Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing good. So today I'm bringing you guys another makeup tutorial. I'm not really sure what I want to call this look, but all I know is I want to play with one of these shimmer colors in this palette from Makeup Revolution. I have done like a review, if I should say, on my first time using it on my channel, so I'll just put that up there in the cards if you guys do want to check out that video. But let us get started. First things first, we gotta prime that face. So I'm taking my NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. Wow, there's something in my eye. Wow. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows with my fave Nyaya's Benefit. So I'm just gonna quickly do this. To start off with the eyes, I want a brown in the crease, so I'm going to take this palette here and use this brown because that palette doesn't have this brown color. So now I'm going to take a bit of that orange and go into the crease. Now for the metallic color. Sure, difficult decision, but I decided to go with this purple lilac color because it's your favorite color I am. So it's not giving me that thing. Okay, because it's so subtle, just to glam it up a little bit, I'm taking this NYX Shimmer Down Body Oil. And I'm just applying it on top of the purple. Then I'm going to take this dark brown just for the outer corners. I'm adding this color onto the eye as well. I just want to see if we can intensify this look. Honestly, I think we're done with the eyes, so let's move on to foundation. I'm going to use my Revlon Candid Foundation, and this is 440. I've done a review on the Candid Foundation alongside the concealer, which I'm going to be using as well. So that is in my description box. I'm setting that with my Maybelline Face Studio powder. So I've applied my lashes and mascara off camera. Now I'm going to contour with my Essence Shape Your Face. It is almost finished. For blush, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Mellow Wine blush. It is such a beautiful sheer blush. So I think I've applied too much of the blush. I'm just gonna take this face powder. Just so that can be a bit less dramatic. Now for highlighter, I swear guys, this is going to be my new favorite highlighter, the Makeup Revolution one. And what is it called? Dare to Divulge. What do you mean? Sure. So I thought I was recording and I wasn't recording. Woo, what a joke. But anyways, this is the lipstick I used for my face because I just wanted to stick with this whole purple thing going on, and I just used my setting spray. So yeah, oh wow. I think it's good, but it's fine. You didn't miss much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, let me know what else you guys would like to see. I feel like I still want to play around with this palette and explore some of the colors. I wanted it to be I can't talk. I wanted it to be a bit more dramatic on the eyes, but it's fine because the drama is here, right here. Before I close out the video, our subscriber for the week goes to Slisi Zenongamza. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate it. We are on the road to 500 subscribers. So tell your mama, tell your daddy, your sissy, your brother, your dog. Listen, go to my subscribe because it's free. So again, you know. But anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. May your day be ever flawless as your makeup.